Buying new windows is a big investment. Here are 10 essential checks to ensure you get the best performance and savings. From Axiom Eco Homes. Check the energy rating. Aim for a AA+ rating, which can save you between £195 and £285 each year on heating bills. Number 9. Verify FENSA certification. This is a legal requirement for replacement glazing, and without it, you may need a separate building regulations application costing between £200 and £400. Number 8. Confirm the warranty length. Most reputable manufacturers offer a 10-year guarantee on the sealed unit and a 5 to 10-year warranty on the frame and hardware. Number 7. Measure noise reduction. Double or triple glazing with a 4 to 6 mm air gap can reduce outside noise by 30 to 40 decibels. Number 6. Look for secured by design accreditation. This ensures your windows meet high security standards, protecting your home from intruders. Number 5. Compare frame materials. UPVC, timber, and aluminium each affect the U-value and maintenance needs of your windows. Number 4. Check for trickle vents. These provide background ventilation to prevent condensation and are often required by building regulations. Number 3. Consider acoustic laminated glass. Thicker glass, like a 6 mm outer pane, improves sound insulation without much extra cost. Number 2. Ask for the BFRC energy label. This confirms the Windows certified energy performance, helping you compare products accurately. Number 1. Get a certificate of compliance. Keep the FENSA certificate with your property documents, as solicitors often request proof when you sell your home. For more tips on improving your home's energy efficiency, subscribe to Axiom Eco Homes.